Pastor Adeboye, you protest against Jonathan. You carry your member, your people, your member. When I go protest against them, Mr. say Jonathan na Igbo. Na Igbo. Tinubu and Pastor Adeboye trust now protest against him. Say he don't do it, say na bad president he be. Okay, now that Tinubu dey rule us now. Tinubu never reach 1 year. He never even, let me say, you know, concern me, but Tinubu never, he never, as he enter, everywhere scatter. Pastor Adeboye, Alpha, you don't protest against Tinubu. So I be. Pastor Adeboye, you be Yoruba. Tinubu na you say na Yoruba. Meanwhile, Jonathan na Igbo. 12 na protest against him. So Alpha now. Pastor Adeboye, I ask you Alpha, you don't protest against him. You don't challenge him. You don't carry your member. Go protest against him. Alpha, I ask you Pastor Adeboye. We are the winners, Abi. We are the winners. Abi, Pastor Adeboye.
Okay, when I don't hear what's in this brother they talk, even though what he was saying here is right, but you get what he make me come. You understand me? Listen to me, let me tell you something. A lot of Yorubas and a lot of Northerners see us with this old Eastern Nigeria or Middle Belt. Yeah, so once they see us, they call all of us Igbo. That is the truth. They understand me. Now, sometimes I begin to ask myself, what if one day, if you have an issue, like what we saw during presidential election, there were threats to some people where they think say this person na Igbo, but they no be Igbo. You go see some Yoruba person they call a Bini person Omo Igbo. You go see Yoruba person they call a Bayelsa or Akwa Ibom person or Warri person Omo Igbo or something like that. The same thing goes to northern Nigeria. If there is any problem there, as far as you know they speak Hausa, you be Omo Igbo. Now ask yourself, if eventually, God forbid bad thing, if something happen and you dey reside for northern Nigeria, but you are from old eastern Nigeria, or you dey reside in western Nigeria, but you are from old eastern Nigeria, if eventually something happen, will you have that space to explain yourself? Oh, I no be Igbo, I no be Igbo. You wey dey lis ten to me now, you wey be from Bayelsa, you wey be from Akwa Ibom, you wey be Benin, you wey be Warri person, you wey be anywhere wey you dey for all dis south state wey Nigeria create, they would they give you that opportunity to explain to them, oh I no be Igbo, oh I no be Igbo, before they will buy you? Na question I say make I ask you, because some of you leave wetin una suppose to dey talk another thing. Do you understand me? You wey dey south, sometimes you go see wey dey talk about Igbo, you go say, oh na ndị Igbo business, e no concern you. If eventually this country wey we dey, if anything happen, will they give you that space to explain to them before they go hammer you wetin they wan hammer you? Will they? That is why sometimes if I come out here to talk, I go dey tell you say injustice to one is still injustice to all, because nobody knows tomorrow. To them you are Igbo, but you are not Igbo. That is the simple truth. And I'm not saying this because I want you to start saying that you are Igbo. You no be Igbo, be say you no be Igbo. But they are seeing you say na Igbo person you be. Because of Nigerian history. They have never changed that narrative. And it's very difficult for them to start throwing away such mentality. Sometimes I worry about something like that. But you will not understand whether we like it or not. You see this country where we dey, the kind of tribalism and the bigotry and nepotism wey dey dis country Nigeria is going nowhere with this kind of mindset. I know why I'm saying this. You may not understand it, not until we start telling ourselves the truth. We have a lot of things to do, to work on in this country Nigeria. We have a lot to work on. It's either we start doing away all this tribalism, bigotry and nepotism and start planning ahead. What should we do to better our society? Or should we just divide and let every party stay on their own and report to federal? Some of you will not understand it. You may misunderstand me, no problem. But I'm here to tell you, if anything happen, will you have that space to explain yourself? Oh, I no be able. Because maybe you see what is going on now is none of my business. Is Igbo and Yoruba or is Igbo and this? No problem. We know the pray make bad thing happen, oh, but if eventually, if bad thing happen, will you survive it? You no be Igbo, you no be Igbo. Before you go open your mouth, they talk say you no be Igbo, you go don reach ground now.